Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gigan Rex. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gigan Rex, we're going to begin with the face. Let's start right up here and we're going to make a little smiley face for the eye. So I want to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then up like this. Next we're going to do that same thing, we're just going to make it a little lower. So we're going to go down and then come right back up. Next, we're going to bring up a line on each side. Then we're going to bring a line in on each side. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come to like a rounded point and that's going to come down. Starting here, we're going to go down on each side. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up, kind of like a V shape. And that's going to be where the beak is. Now for the mouth, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side, kind of like a little bit of a longer V shape. Then we'll draw two lines that come down on each side. Next, we're going to make lines going to come down and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little line that curves out on each side. Then we're going to go out and then in. Same thing here, just kind of go out and then in. They'll make a little line that comes in on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down and in, and then another one over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down on each side for the neck. Then we're just going to curve this in a little bit on each side. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around on each side. Next, we're going to make a line that comes out for the shoulders. We're going to draw another line that's going to come down and then back. And then one here, we're just going to kind of go out and then we're going to come back. Now, starting in here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. And then we're going to come down and then up in like a V shape. Starting here, we're going to make another one of those kind of shapes that go up and then comes down here. Then I'll leave a little space. Let's just go down and then up. Starting here, we're going to bring this line in on each side. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side, kind of at an angle. We're going to start out here and we're going to bring a line that's going to come down. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to kind of go out and then bring it in. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side to start the arms. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring this line down with a curve. And then we'll curve this one up at the bottom. We'll add another little curve line. And we're just kind of repeating the same thing on each side of the arms. Then we're just going to go down and then up. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and then we're going to come up. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. We're going to curve it around and bring it down. Same thing here, we're just going to go up. We're going to curve it around and then bring it down in like a hook shape. Then we're going to bring this line up, and then we're going to come right to about the middle part. Same thing here, we're just going to go up, bring it real close, and then we're going to bring it down to about the middle part of the arm. Then we're going to start here, and we're going to bring it down to here. And same thing here, come up, and then bring it down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side to start the legs. Then we're going to bring them in. Right here, we're going to add a line that's going to come down to a point and that's going to curve around. Same thing here, we're going to come down to a point and then we're going to curve it around. And we're going to make a line that's going to come across on each side for the bottom of the foot. We're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring this line up, and then we can curve it in. Next, we're going to bring this line up to here, and same thing, bring this line right up to here. Now, underneath here, let's make two little lines that come in. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up to kind of show where the tail is. And then you can see it's a little higher here and there's a little less space here. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to bring this line out. We're going to come around and then bring it over for the tail. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up. Right here, we're going to make a curved line. And we'll make a little line that's going to go down and then up. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just curves up on each side. And then right here, we're going to make another line that comes down. Now we have our basic shape of our Gigan Rex. Now the next step is to come in here and start adding all the different details on here. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little line that's going to come up and down on each side, just to kind of show where some of the spikes and stuff are. And then right here on the tail, I'm going to make a little line that comes up and down. And then a little line that's going to curve out and then come back for a point. And we're also going to make a line that's going to come across here. Now, starting with the head, I'm going to make a little broken line that comes up. And then a little broken line that comes down and up here. We're also going to add a little sad face and a little happy face for that eye right above his main eye. And then we're going to make two little lines that come down here. I'm going to draw a little line down. And then we're going to make a couple little curved lines right on here just to kind of show where there's going to be some muscles. And we'll make another little broken line up here. Right inside of here, I'm going to draw two lines in the middle. And then a couple little lines on the outside. I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up here. And a little line down. Then we'll add some little broken lines right around here. We'll make a little line on here, and then we're going to make a few little lines that come across. And then same thing here, we'll draw a little line, and then we'll make a couple little small lines coming down. For the legs, let's make lines going to go up and down. And we'll do that same thing here, just go up and down. And I'm leaving little bumps and kind of spaces in between there too. We'll make a little line that comes down on each side, and one that comes up here. We'll make some little curved lines right around the feet, and a little line on the claws. We'll make some little lines coming up. I'm going to make a couple little lines right along here too. We'll bring some little lines up here on the arms, and then we'll make some little lines coming across here. We'll make some more little kind of broken lines all around here. And maybe a couple more little lines along the neck too. We can put a couple lines on the tail. And some little curved lines on the tip of the tail. Now on this curved part right here, let's add some small little lines on here just to kind of show that there's a little bit of texture at the bottom of his claws here. So we're just going to add these. I'm kind of curving them as I come up too. We'll even add some little lines right across here. And I'll put a little line or two up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Gigan Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.